So you've got a photo that you want to use in a PowerPoint or on a handout, or even as your LinkedIn profile picture, but you really want to get rid of the background so that you can focus solely on your face, or in this case, mine. Remove.bg is a really simple web app that lets you upload your photos and instantly removes the background for you. All you need to do is head over to remove.bg and then select the upload your photo button, and then bam, the background's removed just like that. And if we compare it to the original, it's done a really good job of removing the background and differentiating between myself and the blue here on the right and the trees and the tent. So we can download that file as a PNG and we can bring that into PowerPoint, we can resize it and crop it into a circle shape. And now we've got a great intro slide. Again, it can be used in Word documents, it can be put into emails, and it can even be used as your LinkedIn profile image. Now with a free version, you do get a low-res image, which is great for PowerPoints and for handouts and for profile images. But if you want something of high quality for a print outcome, then you're probably going to need to go for the paid version. Now, if this is your second or third time you've seen one of my videos and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, that's the universe telling you that you should subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell to be notified whenever I release new content. And I'll see you again for another Tuesday Tech Tip.